Okay, pre-market analysis for the day. I'm thinking it's pretty bullish over the course of Asia and London. We've been respecting or disrespecting bearish, respecting bullish. So what I want to see price do from market open is I want to see price dip down, manipulate down into this 1 hour gap down here, and then reject off of that and inverse some sort of PD array to then target these highs up here. And then my final draw would probably be this New York PM high up here. And also Asia session, it shot up, reversed off of this liquidity sweep down here, accumulated, London session manipulated down. So what I want to see is this expansion up here. So I want to see New York AM session take out this PM highs. Okay, so market just opened, manipulated up into this 15-minute gap, respected it, and now it's pushing back down to this 1 hour gap that I want it to push into. Now, just gonna wait and see if it taps into it. I did have the idea of like taking like this little short here because I feel like market wanted to take this 1 hour, but obviously it's risky, didn't want to take that, but it is playing out how I thought it would. But yeah, as of right now, just waiting to hit this 1 hour. Okay, so price here tapped into the 1 hour gap.
Okay.
Looking to see what happens off of this. I'm gonna be looking for some sort of inversion off of this 1 hour here. ES also just tapped into it. So probably looking for whatever the highest time frame inversion out of this 1 hour would be. So we have probably gonna want to see this 5 hour gap form and then get inversed. But yeah, this short played out how I wanted it to. Okay, this is a good reaction off the 1 hour here. All we have here is this 1 hour or this 1 minute candle. Okay, looks like price doesn't want to inverse up just yet. But if we do take a long, it would probably be something like this. Probably break even. It's 15 minute. Don't see any other points where I might have to maybe break even at this point right here. Yep, getting good displacement up here. An entry. I'm pretty confident with this trade, so I'm gonna entry with 8 micros. Gonna entry now. Okay. Stop set at these swing lows down here. Should be getting a good push off of this. PM highs are probably the main target here. But honestly, I don't need PM highs to get taken. Probably main target right here. Just It's nice 1 to 1.17. Overall, took this trade. Good displacement off of this tap into the 1 hour gap. Respected it just like I thought it would. Now price is starting to trade up. Probably gonna break even once I hit this line here because there's a 2-minute fair value gap. But it looks like price wants to continue trading past that. Yep. Very good displacement here. Probably will take first partial up at this New York AM high here. Probably going to take most of the positions off. And just leave runners up to there. Yeah. Okay, getting some really good displacement here. Trade's already at break even, so it's a risk-free trade. Getting some good displacement here. I do really like this 1 minute gap here formed. Price shouldn't continue to trade down here. Yep. Price should continue up here. Not liking how price is struggling here. It is still respecting this 1 minute. I think I might just take a quick partial here. All right, just take a quick partial there. Just gonna see if price will continue up. Okay, end up getting stopped out break even there. Don't think my trade idea here was wrong, but I guess maybe it's doing a pullback before it fully goes up again. Wow. Strong displacement down here. Overall, on the day, how much did that just... Up 500 from earlier. Let's see. Oh, that trade just now around 65. Not great. Probably gonna look for some sort of re-entry here. Because I do think my draw here is correct. Unless price here starts to sell off even further. Looks like price might want to retap into this 1 hour before going back up. Possible re-entry off of inverse of this 1 minute. If there's some good displacement here, this is a possible inverse or a re-entry. And then my break even would be up here. Trade would look something like this. I want to see some strong displacement here though. Probably gonna... strong displacement here. I want to see this get taken pretty strong. I want to see a strong push up here. I don't really like that. Yeah, I don't like that. It was some strong displacement, but I don't like that reaction. I don't like that price is chopping here. Unless I see clear displacement up, I'm probably not going to look to enter another trade. Not liking how this is price kind of chopped here a bit. Yeah, I don't like that. I guess I would want to see his inverse off 2 minute, but I don't like this trade that much anymore. Yeah, price is just chopping. Okay, so there was that potential entry that I could have taken off the inverse of this 1 minute here. Price is displacing up, about to take where my original TP would have been. But I didn't like how price was chopping here, so I didn't take it. I wanted to see some clear displacement up, which now we're getting. But now we can look for something different. Because the draw is still this high up here. RPM high. Probably what I would want to see is this 15 minute here get inverse. So I want to see this candle close. If it managed to inverse this one, that would be even better. But we will have to see. Really good displacement up here. It shows price really wants to move up. Did end up inversing this 5 minute right here as well, which could have also been an entry. There is PMI at 10 a.m. So after this candle closure, probably gonna want to be careful to see how price moves, because new 4-hour candle will also be opening. But it is looking very good if this 4-hour candle opens and this gets disrespected here. But I'm not sure if I want to be trading too close to news. What I want to see is price move back down into this gap, but I don't think that's gonna happen. It looks like price wants to continue moving up to take that New York PM high. Okay, looks like it's about to take it right here. Let's pull up ES. ES is already about to take those PM highs though. ES is taking this now. So now we have an SMT here potentially. Previous day highs, what did it get taken? New York PM high. Maybe it sweeps here and then not sure if it'll continue up. It looks like it's slowing down here. The volume's kind of dying out. We'll see what happens with a new 4-hour candle. Seconds. Alright, here we go. Ending 52.4. So that should push price up higher. So I want to see a manipulation down into here or forming some sort of gap that I can inverse. Looks like price wants to move higher here. Not liking this until it taps into this gap though. Okay, we're starting to see price push down now. Okay, here we go. Price getting a push down. Hopefully getting into this 5-minute gap here, and then we can look for an entry back into longs. Okay, 1-minute candle closure here. Looks like price wants to continue moving up here, but there wasn't an entry for me. So, not sure if I want to take this or not. No entry here. Probably was an entry on the 32nd. There's no entries to get in. Alright, I'm not really liking this price action now, so I'm probably just gonna get off here. I already made my money today. Probably gonna get off here and just go to the gym, not look at the charts, because I do have a pretty bad problem of just staring at the charts and forcing entries because I want to make more money. So trying to stay disciplined and trying not to do that anymore. So probably gonna close the charts so I don't get any FOMO, don't look for anything crazy. And yeah, I think that's it for today.